Hello guys, today I'm going to upgrade my two front seat. I have the ISRI one and they definitely need some new pillows. So I bought this one from Germany and today we're going to disassemble the seats and install this new very nice foam pillows. First thing first, we need to take the seat out of the car. To remove the seat, there are two things you need to do. Of course, the first thing is to push it all the way forward. Grab this handle and, of course, push it as far as it goes. On the back side of the seat, you will find this lever. This one is need to be pushed down, and then you can release the seat. And there we go. Okay, I managed to take the seat out of the car. That was the easy part. We need some tools. 13mm spanner with a ratchet function. It's making the job a lot easier. Standard flat screwdriver, and this one also is a good tool, but you can manage with a flat screwdriver. So let's start by removing the plastic on each side. The first thing we need to do is to remove a screw that is inside here. Here you can see it. It's a 13mm screw, which you need to take out from the inside here. So then this tool came in handy because of its ratchet function. Let's see which way is it? That way. And here we go. Then we can lay the seat down like this, and then we can remove the plastic covers, which are secured by this one. This one is a little tougher. This part is just pushed into this small groove. You see this one, and it matches with this one. Top one is in the hole. Then you need to remove the segering. Here we are. Then this side is now theoretically free. Now there are some notches around this one. So here we go. So then we need to wiggle this one to get it out. And it should, there we go. And it snaps in place by two locking tabs inside here. Okay, now we are done with this side, then we flip the seat over and do the other side. Same thing, small inside here. Deliver this one carefully out. Here we go. Same thing. This one is a more pain in the ass because here there are some securing tabs with the locking washer. Yes, did it. I managed. This one is the locking thing that is pressed on this plastic nib. Oh, here we go with a big bang. Okay, here we can see the mechanism. It's very dusty. And here's the plastic nub that goes against the seat, which has this spring. This one can be clever to turn around, so it's got a new surface to slide on. Then the worst part is done. Then we just need to remove the cover. And then we have to release all these springs. But first, it's a good idea to remove these two sliders. Then we can remove them. And the whole mechanism. To release the clamps, just put a screwdriver underneath and pull them upwards. It's quite easy. Looks like this. Okay, let's then try to remove the seat from the frame. The old foam is bonded to the frame in some places. It could be glued, I don't know, but at least it's sticking really well. And here we go. Free. Oh my goodness. Look at this. That's some old dust. 30-year-old dust. I don't know if you can see this on film, but this one is definitely a lot lower than this portion. Here it's almost flat. Here it's very low. It could be the construction, or it could be that it's just sit down over the 30 years. Anyway, scrap. New. Now we need to wash the cover, so let's put it in the washing machine. And while we are waiting for the washing machine, we can do some maintenance on the seat, because mine has a bent lever and this is also a little bent, so I will do the old-fashioned way, drift it and straighten it. Well, that looks good. The seat cover is now dry from the washing. Frame is okay, everything is corrected, which was error on it. And the new seat is ready for installation. So let's continue. I start with the front, pulling the old seat cover over it. Okay, looks good. See. And then it's just a matter of putting the clamp back in the same places and push them on. Okay, then seat is done. Now reinstalling the back. Take some grease from this one and put it inside here. Put it onto this one first, this one second. Putting some grease onto this pivot point. Then we need to lever this back into the hole. Here we go. Then we need to fasten this screw. The cover slides on carefully here. Snaps in place. This little locking washer. And here we go. Yes, looking good. These two covers is the same, so either one will fit here. And here we go. Then we have the other side, and then we of course need to put this one on. It's held in place by these two plastic covers, one on each side. And here we have this locking washer as well. And here we are. And then this one is supposed to go underneath here. I think I will save it for later. Last plastic cap. And here we go. The two rails. You can see there is some kind of different shape on this. This side is completely even, and on this side there are some shapes. I don't know how to explain it, but this is on the outside. And there we have it. One seat ready to go in the car. Look at this. It's an amazing transformation. It's almost no sag, but that one has a lot of sag. And the seating comfort is excellent. I think you Englishmen call it second to none or something like that. Second to one, second to none. I don't know if it's possible to see the difference, but it is really sagging, that seat. And this one has almost nothing. Just fantastic.